You're watching history happen, the delicate dance required to lower a 27-foot-long bridge across the Croak Canal, just outside Arvada's border near Stanley Lake Park.
It's been a long time in the making.
So remarkable, the construction guys capture the moment.
The bridge delivery day was a great moment for us.
It needs to sit perfectly on two supports made of concrete. Now watch that foot. That worker becomes the very first to step on the new bridge.
And now this opens up a new possibility.
It helps provide the missing 7-mile link between Two Ponds National Wildlife Refuge and Rocky Flats National Wildlife Refuge. So now there is a continuous trail from Rocky Mountain Arsenal Wildlife Refuge on the eastern part of Denver to Two Ponds in Arvada, and then to the doorstep of Rocky Flats in Westminster. It's called the Rocky Mountain Greenway Trail. A plaque saying just that is hoisted like the Heisman Trophy at a celebration on National Trails Day, June 4th, 2016. Governor John Hickenlooper and former Secretary of the Interior Ken Salazar came to Arvada to cut the ribbon. They vowed back in 2012 to make this happen as part of the Colorado Great Outdoors Initiative. They take the inaugural bike ride. Councilmember Bob Pfeiffer, along with other Arvada leaders, do the inaugural walk.
It's a major coup for Arvada to be a part of the funding that it was $1.7 million.
A grant from the Federal Transit Administration helped make this possible. And the city of Arvada played a big role to close that critical trail gap. A second bridge was installed near Stanley Lake Library. It crosses the Farmers High Line Canal in Arvada. Another key project, the underpass at West 86th Parkway. There is now a safe way to cross from Arvada into Westminster and its trail system. Before, the underpass was too small, so the dimensions were changed. And there's more.
We're walking on brand new trail as part of the Rocky Mountain Greenway Trail.
That new half-mile gravel trail means new access to everything this part of our area has to offer. Scenic Stanley Lake, gorgeous greenery, and sweeping views of the entire Front Range. It's exciting. 2 new bridges over the canals, a new underpass under 86th Parkway, and a new gravel trail. And then you continue on to the Rocky Mountain Greenway Trail.
It means greater connectivity for wildlife watchers, for recreationalists, for schools, for library programs. We have some amazing watersheds, some beautiful canal corridors, and some great city parks in Arvada and outside Arvada that will be physically linked with one cohesive trail network.
I want to thank all of you, because this doesn't happen without the public will.
It was a massive team effort between federal, state, county, municipal, and private agencies, including the cities of Broomfield, Westminster, and Arvada.
It's just been great to be a part of such an important national project, and Arvada is proud to represent that.
So plan your next trip and enjoy the great outdoors. For more information, go to rockymtngreenway.org.